Are you going to fill up the red bucket?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. How do you fill up the red bucket? That's a red bucket. How do you fill it up?
Can you fill it?
Is it full yet?
Is it full? Okay. Come on up. Not that way. Go around the back.
Oh, you're a monkey. That's the first time you've done that.